play. That stretching felt so amazing. I am trying to get back into the grind of working out because I have definitely fallen off with moving and everything. So I am trying my best to get back into that grind, and it is hard to get back into that. So I am just trying to push myself on trying to get into it again, and that stretching felt good. It's been 2 weeks since we've been living in our apartment, so that's pretty exciting. 2 weeks I did get a job, so I have a job now, and I start Monday the 26th, so that's exciting. And I'm pretty much making this vlog either a morning routine or just a productive day in my life or something like that. I don't know. We'll see how this vlog goes. But anyways, yeah, I wanted to give you guys a few updates. I'm just trying to get my life back in order after moving. I am taking you guys along the whole journey, so I hope you guys enjoy that kind of content. I do also have a room makeover coming up as well. As you can see, I already have some Halloween decorations up. I am doing that as well, so keep a lookout. I think this is the most perfect one I made. It's 79 degrees here today in Virginia, and so it's not hot at all. It's comfortable. It's not where you go outside and sweat your ass off after being outside in 2 minutes like at Florida. But it feels really good outside today. I can actually wear black if I want to. In Florida, I felt like I couldn't because it's so hot and humid. But I'm not sure what we're doing today. I think we're going to Ross a little later so I can get some new jeans for work because mine doesn't fit. So yeah. Harper, he's too busy sniffing the ground. Over to the Ross. Okay, so we were just mainly there to get some pants for work, but we saw that they had their Halloween stuff out already, some of it anyways, and they had some really cute things like that throw blanket and this bat pillow, so cute, and then the coffin pillow that is really, really cute, so I had to get that. Halloween is just my favorite time of the year, so I love when the stores have their Halloween decorations out and decor out, and this year I definitely do want to go all out with my decorations in my room and maybe hopefully around the house as well. So yeah, I definitely will be going Halloween shopping whenever I see some good Halloween decor and decorations that I want to get. I had to mute the clip just because they were playing their music too loud in the store and I just didn't want to get copyrighted. They also had some really cute mugs. I love The Nightmare Before Christmas. It's like one of my favorite Halloween movies. I know it's Halloween and Christmas, but that's one of my favorite movies to watch during Halloween, and Beetlejuice as well. So as you saw in my last clip, I went to Ross. I didn't get too many things. The main thing I went there for is some pants for work, but then we saw that they had their Halloween stuff out, and so of course I had to go check it out. But these are the cargo pants. I got these pants. They're for work. They're so cute, but they fit on really nice. I got 2 pairs of these. They're the cargo pants, and they're kind of long, a little long on me, but it's okay. I like how they fit, and they feel so comfortable. There's one. And here is the other pair. I had to get 2 of them just because I like them a lot. And I love the stuff that they had out for Halloween this year. I had to pick this up. I thought this was so cute. My mom also thought it was really cute. It's this rest in peace pillow, and it's different as well. The color theme I'm going for is purple and also green, like the Beetlejuice green. So I got this. And I also have a bat theme going on too because of my dead sheets, as you can tell right here. And I saw this purple throw blanket. It is so nice and soft and cozy. And I got another one. Hold on. Hey guys, the prices on these. The blanket was $12.99. Both of these pants were $14.99. The pillow is $10.99. I'm trying to figure it out. $10.99. And the jeans, the size are a size 9. Can't believe I fit a size 9 now. And we also got this inflatable Jack Skeleton. I love the Nightmare Before Christmas, and this is small enough for us to put this in our apartment. And I'm thinking about either putting it in my room or maybe on the patio or something. I don't know. But this was $11.99. Another thing that I got is this cute Jack Skeleton mug. Super cute. As you can tell, I'm going with the purple theme. I didn't find anything green yet, so. And this was $5.99. But yeah, you guys, that's all that I got today. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you like more productive vlogs, let me know in the comments and what you would like for me to do next. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to become part of my family here on YouTube. Like this video, also turn the bell notifications on so you can stay notified when I upload. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.